Hello everyone, this is Bailey Diaz here. Just wanted to show you a quick live demo of my ResNet model here. The goal of this CNN, this convolutional neural network, is to be able to identify emotions and faces. So it has this pre-labeled data that labels it as disgust, fear, things of that nature. And there are 7 different types of emotions that these images convey, and the goal of our model is to predict the the, the emotion that is being conveyed. So we're running this one here. I'm only training it for one epoch. In this case, normally I do 10. I'm doing one here just for purposes of demonstration. And then here's an example of the matrix. It'd probably be slightly different, but I'll show this in a second here after the epoch is run and the model is trained fully. Um, and we'll get to that. But right now we'll just wait on this one epoch to be completed. It should be done here shortly. There it is. So with the one epoch, got a validation accuracy, which this is really the test accuracy. I need to change that. But the test accuracy of zero point 0.6, um, or just about zero point 0.6, which is pretty good. It gets better, not a ton better. It gets about up to about 0.64, 0.65 with about 10 epochs. So there's a live demonstration of the model being trained and running, and then being evaluated. And then here is the confusion matrix. Let's run this. Shouldn't take too long. The confusion matrix will essentially show us where our model predicted a label would be and then what it actually was. So anything within this diagonal line here of these boxes is correct. That means that the model correctly guessed the emotion. So you can kind of see here, predicted label is 0, or predicted label is this specific emotion. Let's say it's sadness, and the model predicted, or the true label was sadness, and the model predicted it to be so. So that's correct. And then anything besides these diagonal boxes is an incorrect guess. For example, here, the predicted label was 0, and then the true label was 1. And you see there's some significant differences here. For example, believe the biggest one for incorrectness, this one has 221. So the predicted label was 5. So emotion of anger. I'm not exactly sure which emotion it was, but this emotion was predicted. And then the true emotion was number 2, or sadness, or whatever it might be. So essentially, it's guessing it wrong. So this isn't perfect, but it's a start, and I'm excited to hopefully continue on this. Thank you all.